Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling designer and intelligent services so suggestions appear. Once done, open a fresh slide and add real content, an image, a heading, or 3 bullets. Make sure to save as PPTX and stay connected to the internet so designer can fetch layouts. Next, place your photo or data where you want the focal point. This triggers designer immediately. If you want faster results, add alt text and simple captions, because designer reads those to propose clean, usable layouts. Once the Design Ideas pane appears, scan suggested layouts and pick one that balances image and text. Choose attention-grabbing options first. You can swap font sizes, colors, and spacing without rebuilding the slide, and designer preserves alignment and contrast. If a list feels dense, accept a smart art suggestion to convert bullets into visual steps. When icons appear, replace or recolor them to match your palette. Make sure to iterate, accept a layout, tweak spacing, then reopen Design Ideas for alternative refinements. Finalize by applying the selected layout and checking slide master consistency so all slides match. Once applied, scan for contrast and accessibility issues and fix text wrap or overlap. Export to PDF or save as PPTX and rehearse using Presenter View to confirm timing and notes. If designer is not showing suggestions, sign into Office, enable intelligent services again, verify your internet, or update Office to the latest build. That single troubleshooting step usually restores designer quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.